What's up, y'all? I had just had the moment where this thing started sliding really easy, and I wanted to share it because it's good for me. I mean, I'm using basic shit. I have a stone here to like lap the sides, which it didn't need, and I have another stone right here that I was using to get down in the sides here, and then a file. Probably not the best tool for the job, which is why I was asking about the stones. But that file allowed me to get down on the bottom side. See, not this, but on the opposite. So the inside here, but down on this edge here and here, because the grind marks on this and what I was able to see by shining a light in here was there's a little bit on this edge here and in here that was the Daikin was rubbing off. So I was able to do that, with the file and get it to where this thing will just fall straight through. Hopefully it's not too loose now. I mean, I can't feel any wiggle, but that don't mean nothing. Um, all right, so that's number 2. I got number 3 to go, and then back to number 1 to make sure. But the idea is to get them to where they move nice and smooth. Before, it would get to like right here, and it would hang up, and you'd have to push it, you know. But now it just falls smooth straight through. So I know that's good now. Okay, anyway, thanks for everyone. Oh, thanks to everyone for your help, and I need to get back to my beer. Later.